Rohit, how are you?
I am fine. And what about you and your family?
I am fine and my family members are also fit and fine. Let's talk about our studies.
Yes, studies. We all are studying very laboriously at our homes, but still there are some problems which I am not able to sort out. Do you face any problem in studying?
Yes, right now these days I am facing some problems in recalling. Means I want to learn something and I even learn that also. But during the test, I'm not able to recall my answers properly. I think there is something missing in my learning patterns.
Yes, what a coincidence. The same problem I am also facing. What is the solution for that problem? Do you have any idea how to check it?
Yes, I have some ideas regarding this problem. I think we should ask our teachers for this, and might be they will help us and give us some solutions which we can follow. What do you think? Let's go to our teachers?
Yes, you are right. I think we should go and ask our teachers the solution. Let's go.
Yes, like Rohit and his friend, many of the students are facing the same problems in completing their homework, written assignment, or any learning work. So, I am here with all the solutions to your problems, dear children. It is not like that you are not working or learning, but the problem is that you don't know how to learn. Let's get started where I have some points to make you understand how to learn. Children, in these tough times, you have to be a little bit more conscious and attentive in your online classes. This is the first step towards it. Now, as you can see, today's topic is hard work versus smart work. So, let's get started. Children, we all are working every day with the same energy, but some of the students get the result in good percentages and some of the students don't get. What is the reason behind that? What is that point which is lacking in you, where you are not able to fetch full marks as compared to other classmates? So today we will learn how to do this thing in your daily life, so that you will practice it and you will learn how to get the marks properly. So children, when any teacher gives you something to learn, what do you think? What is the first step? The first step is to reflect upon the topic. First of all, think and read out the topic very well, so that you can understand what is the basic thing which has been discussed in the chapter. The first thing is that reflecting. Second point is highlighting. After reading the topic, you have to point out the main thing of the chapter, and then you have to learn it properly. As you have pointed out, you have highlighted all the headings. So what is that next? You have to summarize. It means you have to learn these things by your heart. Okay? After summarizing, the last and the most important point is active recalling, which has a lot of potential in it, and this point is generally missed by many students. They learn everything they do, but they don't active recall. What is active recalling? Active recalling is to remember the things off and on, what was taught, what was the thing which I learned today. So in your day-to-day manner, you have to keep revising. After revising, you have to recall and write down all the points which you learned each day, and in this way you will be able to recall all the answers perfectly when you will be needing in your exams. I hope it will help you in learning.